Welcome to another class of the Django and Bootstrap. I repeat, I'm just doing that classes just for practice English. And if you don't like how I speak, or if I'm not very well with the English, you can change the channel and look for another tutorials in YouTube. So the last class, we get in the admin panel. In admin panel, that already is charged in our project because it's default. I'm gonna close this one and close this one. We already are working in our project Modelo 2. I have another here, 10 online, just for support because it's a more advanced project, and I copy code from here and put in our project because I forget sometimes the code, and I need to remember that. So here we got here we get our project Modelo 2, and the last class we are working with the admin template, the admin panel. We're gonna open up the admin, the URL script, and we can see admin slash, and if we want to get inside the admin panel, we can get in only typing this this word, admin slash. So you can run in the project, and we can see what we have. We have this one, and we type admin slash. We can access. We have this. We have the login view, so we can type the username, the password, and can get in. So we already get into the Django administration panel, but what we want to do right now is to use that page to log in our application. So we can log in our application using the admin panel or the admin login. So what we have to do is go to our code. I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna copy two lines of code from another project just for remember what I have to put in. So I'm gonna go to the views and copy this line. Close this one, go to our project Modelo 2, go to views.py, and paste that line. What we are doing with that line of code, we are importing the login required mixing. Login required mixing, we want to use that to do that to get inside our application using the admin login. So here we have a class named home, and this class has inheritance. I don't know exactly what is the pronunciation, of that word. I'm gonna write right here in the word. If you want to look what word I'm talking about, here inheritance, inheritance. So in the Django, we can do inheritance, multiple inheritance, because that class is inheritance from right now is inheritance for this generic template view, but we can make this for another class. We can inheritance from this class that I imported. So that's I gonna do, writing or typing this login require mixing here. I'm gonna copy and paste before. Control B. And here, that's the multiple inheritance, because this inheritance is from this class, and this inheritance is from this another class, generic. So we have two different inheritance made it in one class. Our class is home. This is an instance of that class, home, and the class that has the inheritance is these two difference. So what's the next? We have to write another line of code. I'm gonna copy from my other project. So I'm gonna save here, open up the views. I'm gonna copy login URL. Okay, I'm gonna close, return to our project, and copy that here now. Login. Okay. What's happening right now? This code is for reallocated or redirection if we are not logging in our admin panel. What's happened? So in this case, we don't have already a page of login. So we have to redirection to another place if we aren't in our admin panel. So I'm gonna write admin, because what happens if I don't log in right now? I'm gonna be redirected to the admin panel. So the admin panel is gonna show me the login. So when I log in to the admin, already I'm gonna log into my own project. So I expect that it's not confused, and with my English speaking is worse. So sorry, I practice, so I tell you before. So I expect that it's not so much confused. I'm gonna try to explain again. I don't know. Better I wanna run the project and explain in with the image. So I'm gonna save here. I'm gonna close the project because I changed the views. Control C and run again. Python server. All right. I want to see on our browser. charge, and already have a redirection to admin. So when I try to get in our application, because it's the root, there is no other words here to get in our application. I pulse enter, and I'm being redirected to the admin login. That line of code is this one. Login where your URL is the page that I am redirected to get into our application. So if I get into admin, login, this link to the panel administration. But if I erase that and try to into my own application, I already in or on my application. Sorry. So that's what we wanted to do, to get in, to try to use the admin panel to get in our application. So the next steps that we need to do is to link that logout and already make our own page of login and not use the admin panel. So we use this one, the login admin, but in the next classes, we're gonna see how to do that without the admin page. So already gonna use the login require mixing, but we're gonna use in a different way to have our own page to log in. So sorry for my English. I'm already say that I practice English doing that classes. So I'm trying to do the best, but not always works. Sorry. And we see in the next class. See you later.